नमस्ते सम्पूर्ण दर्शक श्रोताहरूलाई बिएफओ च्यानलमा पुनः स्वागत गर्दछु। आज हामी भिजन नेपाल इन्क न्युयोर्कद्वारा आयोजित यो सम्मान कार्यक्रममा उपस्थित भएको छौँ। यहाँ विशेष चिफ गेस्ट शेखर किसनजी हुनुहुन्छ, जो 20 डिस्ट्रिक्टका नोमिनिज डेमोक्रेटिक उम्मेदवार हुनुहुन्छ। त्यसै गरी हामीसँग नेपालबाट पाल्नुभएका चिफ अफ द आर्मी स्टाफ, एक्स आर्मी स्टाफ रुक्माङ्गद कटुवाल हुनुहुन्छ। अनि न्युयोर्क सिटीमा पपुलर लोयर खगेन्द्र जीसी हुनुहुन्छ। त्यसै गरी जीपीके फाउन्डेसन मेम्बर प्रेसिडेन्ट नेपाल नर्थ अमेरिका 2021 का विजेता गरिमा गेवाली पनि हाम्रो साथमा हुनुहुन्छ। विभिन्न मनोनित कम्युनिटीहरूबाट विभिन्न लिडरहरू पनि उपस्थित हुनुहुन्छ। गण्यमान्य व्यक्तिहरूको साथमा नेपाल भिजन इन्कले यो कोभिड-19 को स्थितिमा उहाँहरूले दिनुभएको योगदानको लागि प्रमाणपत्रहरू वितरण गर्ने कार्यक्रम रहेको छ। हामी यहाँहरूलाई कार्यक्रमतर्फ डोराउन चाहन्छु। क्यामेरामा साथ दिनुहुन्छ अमृत गुरुङजी। यहाँहरूलाई अब कार्यक्रमतर्फ डोराउन चाहन्छु।
Today we have a small get-together organization organized by Nepal Vision Inc. And this is formal as well as informal program also, and that's why you organize here in the park. This is shortly get-together like that, and we especially would like to congratulate and welcome our Democratic nominee newly of this New York State District 25, young, energetic youth leader and first South Asian leader who won the primary already and is going to beat the record of his victory. Victory is coming soon. And first of all, I'd like to welcome him as a chief guest of this program. And I would like to welcome our distinguished guest, Chief of Staff, Army Staff of former Chief of Army Staff of Nepal, Mr. Rukmangat Katuwal. And I'd like to welcome Khagendra Dai, Khagendra GC. And we have another guest, our respected chairman of GP Koirala Foundation, Mr. Somnath Ghimire, and Miss Nepal North America 2021, Garima Gewali. We have Michael Lama, and we have Radha Gewali. So Garima Gewali already I told, Padma Ghimire Arial. Similarly, Mr. Rajkumar Cholagai, he is also the secretary of this organization. Mr. Birendra Poon, Mr. Navaraj Ghimire, Mrs. Gyanu Thapa, Mr. Mahesh Thapa, Mr. Amrit Gurung, and Rajkumar Kesi. We have these personalities involved in this program today. I would like to welcome all of you guys in this short and sweet get-together program. I'd like to invite the chairperson of this Nepal Vision Inc., Mr. Mohan Krishna says, to welcome the guest and say some few words by means of
I'd like to humbly welcome the guest Honorable Shekhar Krishnan, Democrat nominee of the NYC District 25 Council member, former Chief of Army Staff of the Nepal Army, lawyer, Chief Advisor of the organization, Mr. Khagendra GC, and President of GP Koirala Foundation, America, Mr. Somnath Ghimire, President of this Bright Future online channel, Mr. Michael Lama, and the head and representative of the many different organizations, and all the ladies and gentlemen. All social organization Nepal Vision INC has been involved in many social programs since our establishment in 2015. We have provided social service for more than 7 years during many times of the need for both Nepal and USA. In our New York City District 25, our organization has decided to conduct programs such as a blood donation, community cleaning, and senior care, etc. A funny coincidence that practice the brevity of our relationship is like Mr. Shekhar Krishna, My name is also Mohan Krishna. So we are both Krishnas. Yeah. We look forward to all the good things in the coming days. Those I would like to wish heartfelt good luck to Mr. Krishnan as the new District 25 New York City Council member, and I am thankful to everyone who took time to out of their busy schedule to be here. Thank you everyone.
चिप साहबलाई
नेपालले के लगाइदियो नेपालले
हो म तपाईलाई स्वागत गर्नु चाहन्छु।
राज
I'd like to welcome Mr. Shekhar Krishnan, our next Democratic candidate, and we believe 99.9% he will be our next council member of District 25 City Council District, and it's our historic achievement. And he always very close friend to Nepal and Nepali communities. He's always raising our issues, our voice to the certain, in that level that we are with him, and we are always with him no matter what, and we'll make him win, and he is our voice for our every issue that we face in the difficulties period, and also during the time of pandemic. He helped us a lot to get all the resources from different government offices in Queens and from the city. Thank you for being here, Shekhar Krishnan ji, and we look forward for your victory, and we are there for you. Thank you very much. And I would like to also welcome here our most dynamic leader from Sri Lankan community, and he's the president of Tasmina as well, Hasrat Utamulle Bebe. Welcome him.
Thank you, Mr. Mohan and Khagendra ji, for bringing me up here. It's a very delightful occasion for me to get to know you all during my short stay here in New York City. I congratulate Mr. Shekhar Krishnan, Bhagwan Krishna, the unending energy of the humankind, who always looks after the welfare of all the animals in the planet, and who always looks for assuring the human being on the survival of itself and the survival of the planet. I am told that politics is a profession of good citizen, a loyal citizen, a citizen with a vision, having a vision, a vigor, a versatility. That's what I am told, and I hope that is applicable to a very young, dynamic, a man full of energy, full of virtues and values, and full of hope, Mr. Shekhar Krishnan, and Mr. Chairman, Nepal Vision, and Khagendra Dai, a very well-known professional and a man with identity in New York and in the Nepalese community, particularly as a lawyer, I am told. And of course, the chairman of GP Koirala, and all of you who I can't name you all, but I am delighted to have you, to be with you all. Thank you. I wish you all the best. I've told you, you are a man of vigor and vision. See, what happens is, you have the ability, you have the dignity, you have the right to make your decision, your own decision for the welfare of the people of New York, and to determine their destiny. Because you hold in your hand the welfare of the men and women of this city, the values and the virtues of this city, and the dignities and the dynamism of the people of New York. And I'm told that New Yorkers are, majority of them, 80% of them are Democrats. So you have a high chances of winning it. And I would like to congratulate you for that advanced congratulation, as you call it, because you also carry some portion of your blood from my part of the world.
Right.
That's what makes me very proud. And Nepal Vision, I would like to wish you the best of luck, because a man with vision is a man with everything. But then people like you will have to keep on romancing keep on dumbfounding and keep on losing to win out in the end, because people like you are the people of both a tactician and a strategist, and formulating plans to accomplish a mission with a vision to formulate grand goals. That's what I'm told. So you see the future. You see the future not only of yours, the future of the future generation, and that's what you keep on working for it. You sweat for it, so that we dedicate ourselves for those people who really need it, who are weak, who are stranded, who are struggling, who are deprived, who are marginalized, and who are frightened. And it's a question of making a difference in the life of a people. A difference, because you do not a different thing, you do things differently. That is why you are different. That's why you have a vision. That's what everybody looks for in these days. Wish you all the best. And wish you all the best. Everybody, wish you all the best. Thank you for having me here. God bless you all. Bye.
Chief Advisor of this Nepal Vision, INC and Superlayer, Mr. Khagendra Ji, to say some words of them.
Very dhanyavad. First of all, I'd like to thank Nepal Vision and President Mohan Krishna Shrestha Ji for organizing this program, and all the team members of the Nepal Vision. I really thank you. And I would like to also thank our chief guest, Shekhar Krishnan, who is also very close neighbors from Nepal. So we feel like when he wins, we'll feel like we are winning with him. So that's what our spirit is right now. And we wish him all the best. Actually, our Nepali community, I think this is the center of Nepali community in Jacksonite area, Elmhurst, and we have the Woodside area, and all of this area has a lot of Nepali community, and we have a lot of problems and issues. I hope when he wins it, he will open our door. Yes. And we will be able to visit him and talk to him about our concerns. Basically, that will be our Nepalese issue that hopefully we'll be interacting in the coming days. And I wish you all the best. And basically, we also had Everest Way that was marked some time back. It was north of the Northern Boulevard. Yes. So we wanted to extend that all the way on the 75 Street, all the way to touching to Purana Avenue. So that will be one of our Nepalese wishes. So if you can, if you at some point, when you get a chance, please look into that. We'll really appreciate, because the 75 Street is the one that was, I think it was north of the Northern Boulevard. So now it is coming to the south. So that's one of the things that I think the other Nepali community would like to see. And I think we will like to congratulate you, and on behalf of Nepali community and Aaron, we already with you, and please accept our congratulations, and we'll support you. And we have today also our very distinguished personality, the national figure, former Commander-in-Chief, Mr. Padwal, who came from Nepal, and thank you for coming here for short notice, and we really appreciate, because this is that you put together as a united Nepali, and then right now you slightly said how closely we can work with Shekhar, and it is good for us, and thank you for being here, and I hope your stay will be better, and then you will be happy on during your visit in USA, and as well as our Samu Bhai, who is running as community programs here, and he is a GPK Foundation's social activist, and was the president running organization pretty well. So and all friends, including our Miss Nepal North America, thank you. And I think we are here to give our support to Mr. Shekhar Krishnan, and as I also said personally that I am fully committed to help him, and I hope everybody wants to help him as well. And we have some friends from here, Sri Lanka, and please, we are happy to welcome you. And with this note, I think I don't have anything else to say, but we will be working together. And thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you, Khagendra Dai.
You have literally said everything that I need to say. I just want to say a huge congratulations to you. As I've already told you, I'm not like a government person, so I don't know that much about government, but I'm really optimistic that you're gonna do the good deeds, and I can see it in your eyes. And you already have someone who is already inspired by you. So we can already see the progress that's been made by him. So being very optimistic, I hope you all the best. If you need any volunteers, if you need any help in the future, I'm there for you and I can help you. Because I just want a present and I have a platform. So I would be really happy to help you. Congratulations. Thank you so much, everyone. I'm so honored to be here.
Namaste, everyone. Namaste. My name is Shekhar Krishnan, and Democratic nominee for City Council in Elmhurst and Jackson Heights. And I'm so honored to be here with all of you today. The truth is, you're saying that I'm the chief guest, but I actually feel so honored to be here with the chief of the Nepali Army too, with Miss Nepal from the North America as well, and of course the founder of Nepal Vision, Mohan. If you're Krishnan too, you're the better Krishnan, you're the better half. So I should learn from you. So thank you so much, and of course Somnath Bhai from the GPK Foundation, and so many who are here too. It is an honor for me to serve our community, because the truth is, it's not just that we come from the same region, but I stand on the shoulders of all of you. Me in this position wouldn't be possible were it not for the work that all of you have done to make sure that our South Asian communities have representation. And I can never forget that, and I'm so grateful to all of you. And that means that finally we will have a voice, your voice, our voice together in government to make sure that it's a government in the city that responds to our communities. As I always say, has resources and services in our languages, like Nepali, like Bangla, to make sure that our voices of our communities are truly heard by people in City Hall who are far removed from here and don't understand our community. One of the things that I spoke to Somnath Bhai about, and so many others too, is to make sure we have a Mount Everest Day in City Hall as well.
Yes,
and
yes,
I would be
yes.
so honored.
Yes.
I would be so honored to partner with all of you to make that possible, to make sure we can celebrate our Nepali culture, not just here, but also in the city too, because our Nepali community is growing so much. You are all the ones who are serving our neighborhoods every day, from our small businesses, like the Gorkhali restaurant that I have to come visit too, to our taxi workers, to our small business owners, to leading immigrant rights organizations, to making sure that the tenants in our community are protected, our workers. You all are the ones who make sure this city is running every day, and the faces of our community here in Elmhurst and Jackson Heights. So the truth is, I am actually so honored and grateful to represent all of you. And it means that all of us together are doing this work, and it's our voice that will be heard in City Hall. Once we have an office set too in January, the door is always open to all of you, because that is what it means to finally have our South Asian community represented in City Hall too. So thank you all so much. Thank you for your support too. Thank you, Mohan Bhai, for bringing us all together, to Nepal Vision too, for all the good work that you're doing every single day too. And I very much look forward to us all continuing to work together for our communities too. So thank you all very much.
And as a chief guest, Radha Gewali, Miss Radha Gewali.
Michael Tamang.
Mr. Michael Tamang. Chief guest. Photo खिच्नु मिल्यो
Congratulations. She's such a proud mother too. So
Yeah, Michael Tamang.
तपाईँहरू पछाडि जानु दिदी पछाडि जानु फोटो खिच्ने कि पछाडि दिदी पछाडि जानु
Ram Kumar Srestha, Mr. Ram Kumar Srestha.
यता
Ram Kumar
माइकल जी
Srestha. दुईटा
congratulations.
Mrs. Pramila Pandey. Mr. Tej Bahadur Rai.
ल यता पछाडि पछाडि आउनु ल
Mr. Mahesh Thapa.
ग्रुप फोटो खिच्नु ल होला
IGL.
Mr. Kanchan Basnet. Mrs. Kanchan Basnet. Navaraj Gimire.
Navaraj Gimire.
And he's very active. He can hear.
Here, but he is very active in the community.
Congratulations.
र अहिले
Gyan Kumar, yeah, Mrs. Gyan Kumar.
ज्ञान
Yeah, Gyan Kumar Thapa.
ज्ञान
Gorkha rest in luck.
Gyan Kumar.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
Mr.
I never say.
Birendra Pun.
वीरेंद्र पुन
Mr. An Chering Serpa. Mrs. Benita Tamang. Mr. Ramchandra Adhikari.
Actually, these people who have worked very hard for this Nepal vision, and during the pandemic, they really gave their best efforts going out and helping in the community, here in Jacksonite. So we really appreciate them. That is the recognition that we are giving them today, and thank you very much.
COVID-19.
They are COVID.
Everybody, this program concludes here, and we are going to take a group picture, and we are going to terminate this program soon. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. So we are going to have some pictures.
अब उही फन्ड रेज गर्ने कोही मान्छे हुन्छ अब यो चाहिँ अब हामी कसैले पनि तल
श्रोताहरू यहाँहरूले आजको यो एपिसोडलाई सुरुदेखि अन्त्यसम्म पक्कै पनि हेर्नुभयो होला भिजन नेपाल इन न्युयोर्कद्वारा आयोजित यो कार्यक्रम विभिन्न रमाइलो प्रस्तुतिहरू प्रमाणपत्र वितरण कार्यक्रमहरू समाप्त भएको छ। यहाँहरूले सुरुदेखि अन्त्यसम्म हेर्नुभएको लागि धन्यवाद। हाम्रो च्यानललाई लाइक सेयर सब्सक्राइब पनि गरिदिनु होला। अब हामी अर्को एपिसोडमा भेट्ने बाचा गर्दै आजको लागि छुट्न चाहन्छु। क्यामेरामा साथ हुने अमृत गुरुङजीलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद दिँदै यहाँहरू सम्पूर्णबाट बिदा लिन अनुमति चाहन्छु। हस्, यहाँहरूको समय शुभ रहोस्। नमस्ते।